So guys, another thing I like to do is I actually like to experiment with different art supplies that I may or may not have used before, or mix them up. So sometimes I'll actually take like a marker, and then on top of the marker I'll do pencils, and then paint. But the recently one that I did, I actually found it on the YouTube art challenge thing, and I wish I knew the artist. I would say who the artist was. I can't find who originally I saw this from. It might have been a YouTube short, could have been a long form video. But what they did is actually they took a drawing, put it on watercolor paper. Try this. Actually, it's pretty cool. On watercolor paper, kind of sketched it out, and then what they did is they put it on the ground, and then they dropped drips of coffee onto it, let it dry, and they used that as a base, like almost like an impromptu nature's way of actually doing the drip, kind of like the drip effect, or splatter effect. It's pretty cool. And then what I did is I actually took it and I used alcohol markers, and in that particular case I used Ohuhu. Not sponsored, guys, but Ohuhus were really good. I actually took like a really nice fine like inking pen, which I actually drew. I drew my kind of version of Deadpool, and then I did all that thing. It's pretty cool. So if you want to go ahead and check it out, I do have a video. I'm gonna drop below, and I'm gonna drop in the description below if you guys want to check it out. How I did it. The results were shocking, actually. I was like, damn, this is actually really cool. My point is it's a discovery of new things, thinking outside the box. And when you're stuck, that's the best way to do it, I think. I think it's a great way. I wouldn't say the best, but it's one of my best ways to break out of creative block, is just to try new things, experiment with new materials that I wouldn't have used before. All right, well,